Hello my divas, welcome on back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm super stoked to be creating one of my favorite looks. This is sultry, sexy, soft glam makeup look. So guys who want to learn how to create this look paired with nude lip and some flawless skin, you have come to the right place. So just sit back, relax and enjoy the show. To start off with, I am applying some lip balm, Nivea lip balm on my lips so that my lips are nicely moisturized before I apply any lipstick. Then I am starting off with a primer. This is an oil-free primer from Inside. This primes, protects and moisturizes my face before I apply any foundation. For foundation, I am taking this Kiko Milano foundation in the shade W60 and dotting this all over my face and neck. And before blending this out, I'm spraying some setting spray again from Inside so that my makeup looks flawless and it does not make my foundation cakey. Then with the help of a damp beauty blender, buffing this out and making sure that my base looks flawless. Then for concealer, again I am taking this Kiko Milano concealer in the shade 07. This shade is an exact match of my skin tone and it beautifully covers my dark circles that are visible. And then blending this out again with the same damp beauty blender. Always use a concealer that is an exact true match to your skin tone, because in that way it does not mix with your undertones and it does not make your eyes look ashy. Then for a lighter shade, I am going with Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 15 Fair and applying it under my eyes, center of my forehead, bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, on my chin, under my cheekbones, and then again with the same beauty blender, just buffing this out, making sure that there are no harsh lines. Then moving on to the eyes, taking this lighter brown shade and applying it over the crease area. Then with the lighter brown shade, just buffing the harsh lines with a larger blending brush, making sure that there are no harsh lines. Then with this ivory shimmery metallic kind of a shade, applying this all over my lid. I'm basically applying this lid as a rich base for the next eyeshadow that is coming up next. So again taking this light brown metallic shade from Kiko Milano eyeshadow palette and applying this all over my lid. Because of the first shade that we applied, this made my eyes look more intense and rich. Now again to deepen the outer corners of my eyes, taking this brown shade and with a smaller blending brush, just applying it only to the corner areas and fan it outwards towards the perimeter of my face, giving it a elongated eye look. Then doing the same underneath my eyes, taking it upwards and again taking the same shade that we applied on the lids, and with the help of a small shading brush, just stamping it underneath my lower lash line. Now moving on to the brow, this eyebrow pencil from Sugar Cosmetics, which has a spoolie at the other end and the product on the other end. Brushing the eyebrow hairs and just filling in the sparse areas. I am not going for a dramatic look, just going for the natural look. Then taking this Lakme Iconic Kajal and applying it on my lower lash line, also onto the top of the lash line. This way it will give a elongated eye look and it will make your eyes look bigger. Now doing the same thing on the top lash line, applying it closer to my lash line You don't have to be precise over here because we are anyways going to blend this out with a black eyeshadow with the help of a pencil brush, giving it a smoky eye effect look. Then for the mascara, I am using this Maybelline Volume Lash Mascara and applying it on my upper lash line as well as lower lash line. Now for the contour, I am using this Insight 2-in-1 Duo Stick and applying it on the sides of my nose and also joining the eyebrows and contouring my nose and also along the perimeter of the face, including the hollows of my cheeks underneath the jawline, and blending this out with a contour brush. And I'm taking it upwards while blending the hollows of my cheeks so that it gives a lifted look, making sure that there are no harsh edges and it makes our face look flawless. Now for the blush, taking this Swiss Cosmetics blush and highlight palette and taking this peach color and applying it on my cheeks, fanning it outwards and upwards towards the perimeter of my face. This way, this will give a lift to our face. Now with the same stick, applying this highlighter on the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, and blending this out with the finger, because I guess blending out with the fingers, it helps to melt the product nicely into the skin and giving a natural glow. Applying it on the high planes of my face, cupid's bow underneath my lips and sides of my forehead. Now for the lipstick, decided to go for a nude lip. So this is Mysterious Mocha from Maybelline. Went for a nude lip because I wanted all my focus and attention only on my eyes today. Now fixing it all with a makeup setting spray. I am being pretty generous enough with the setting spray because this way it may melt down all the powders on the face. And here's is the completed look, guys. I hope you like this video. You can wear this look at any parties, functions, weddings. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon in my next video, guys. Bye guys, take care.